Hi guys, Captain Nick again here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, sitting on an all-new Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Hop aboard and let me show you around, starting with the engines back here. Pushing this boat through the water, we're going to have twin Mercury 250 Verados, all-new V8 naturally aspirated engines. Some of the best engines on the market, really great mid-range, great acceleration, real fun boat to drive. So as we lounge out back here on the sun deck, you're going to notice a primarily white interior on the boat, or as we like to call it, an ivory package. And with the sun beaming right down on the back sun deck right here, it still remains cool to the touch, which is something I can really appreciate in Florida. As I move up forward here to the main deck, I want you guys to notice something. Take a look at the floor on this boat. You're going to have an upgraded floor package with the gray sea deck, really nice and easy on the feet. And instead of just having it back there on a swim platform, we're going to have it throughout the whole boat. Of course, over here on the 290, we're going to be accompanied by a nice cutting board with an ice tray down there. And a fold-up sink. Wash your hands, wash some fruits, cut some limes, do it all right here. Of course, we're going to have a bimini top providing us with plenty of shade, but before I go any further, I want to point out the abundance of Fusion speakers throughout the boat. So when you pull up to the sandbar, I don't care if you're cranking Tupac, Jimmy Buffett, maybe a little Luke Bryan, you got the tunes. As we make our way up to the helm here, Sea Ray did a really great job with comfortable upholstery, everything within an arm's reach, from your lights, your switches, your Fusion unit, your flush-mounted Simrad touchscreen navigation system. And over here we've got our digital throttle shift, of course, and here's the kicker. We've got a Mercury joystick piloting system, which is really 3 or 4 things in one. It goes much further than just docking the boat with ease. It includes Skyhook feature, waypoint sequencing, autopilot, and it is the most user-friendly autopilot system I've ever used. But we'll get to that on the sea trial. Nice head down below. You're not going to feel claustrophobic. Give the kids a space to kind of get away from the elements too if needed. Coming up here to the bow, kick back, take a load off, enjoy yourself. What's not to love? So if you guys have any other questions about this particular model or anything else in our Sea Ray lineup down here at our MarineMax St. Petersburg inventory, give me a call. Come on in. Come see us in the sales office. Visit myself, Gabriel, Justin, or of course Josh Anarelli over there, and we'll get you on the next boat of your dreams. See you next time, guys.